on the 110 though. You said.
That's pretty nice. I owe you $20.
All right, I am currently heading over to Jordan's house, and we're gonna work on his new backyard setup. We've got some skids over there and shovels. Oh my gosh, shovels! Damn it! Gotta turn around really quick. How do I load up all my stuff, but then I don't load up shovels? Straight up, this is how my day's gonna go? Perfect. Can't forget the most important part. Jeez, out here being a noob. All right, start over. All right, now I'm currently heading over to Jordan's house.
We're getting there.
Started something.
Just starting.
Got the berms?
Should be sick.
Dialed. Looking pretty good, dog.
Looking dialed. She's getting there.
That's a pretty big double, dude. I don't know how many people are gonna try that one.
Oh, a lot of people, dude. We'll get some senders, some freaking rookies out here trying to waste the throttle over it.
Oh!
Some nose cases to the backside, over the bars.
Gotta rail that berm pretty hard over there.
Sick. Yeah. I think if we can
We're
keep
doing
it
some
this
pretty good
size,
skid work right now.
square it off. I just think once we pack it down, it's gonna.
If you lose a little bit of height, it's not gonna hurt you. We're gonna make this dialed. You don't even know. You work on that little face of that landing. Just kind of keep scraping, make a landing, and then it'll get flattened out. It'll make it look nice.
I'll shape it out for a second.
I'll shape up.
Shape the lip.
All right, I'll go shape the lip.
They said they're gonna be here by like 10.
And the tracks, because he's got tracks.
On the Mini X?
Yeah, he's gonna bring a Mini X.
We're gonna have another machine here?
Yeah.
We're just going fucking ham.
Dang. Okay.
We'll get it rideable by tonight.
I bet it'll be rideable.
We could go scrape the top couple layers over there, because that's better dirt.
Fair. I don't know what your builder said.
I talked to the superintendent yesterday. He's like, yeah, just. He said it'll only probably be a little bit, because we're just using a skid. It's not like we've got a full fucking dump trip, but.
Yeah, barely.
He said just use what you want, just don't, like, be fruitful.
All right. We got Tyson over here packing, putting some work in, making this lip look nice. Ooh, look at that. Looking pretty. I like it. What do you think about this, Jake?
Killing it, dude.
We're getting some stuff.
Track coming at you quick.
We're getting some
style. 2 skid steers going. Packing with a razor. Hard shovel work.
Building some berms too. We just got the deck for the table in. It's looking pretty sick. Get it, Dagan. The world's watching. Double action right here, double action. Two-ube, so it's definitely for the
Give me
tape.
2U for it. No, we're fucking homies. No, one's got his fucking shovel. Jake's over there fucking working.
Oh, yeah, better.
You're doing a good job, bud.
Better grab a shovel? No, this is show up
Tracks
and
coming
watch
together.
and then maybe even ride guy.
Nah, I've been
He's like,
here
hey, can I
all
read
day.
your pitter so I can just hit all the burns? So it looks sick, dude. That's Braden.
That's me. That's what I was doing.
No, that's definitely what Clint did earlier.
Dude, I was freaking rallying that freaking sperm over.
How's that go? That's how you gotta start my bike. It's push to start.
Oh my god.
You gotta turn it on. Yo.
That one was sick.
the corner, just rail it. Then after that, come back, steal the black ramp from Bryce, backflip jump. Sick. Yeah, that was down.
Sat down the whole time. No, game over.
Did it feel good?
Oh, dude, it feels dialed.
Sick. Go get your pitter and try it.
Is that second? Yeah.
Go get your pitter and try it. Come on. Everything in here. You're being a pussy, you haven't even tried anything. Oh, there's carnage everywhere. Send it, Clint!
What?
You got it. This one's for all the bad bitches.
Yeah, this is the redemption run.
Let's go, baby.
Redemption, bitches!
Yeah, baby. Oh! Oh!
Well, doggy!
Some fine tractoring, huh?
Yeah, Jensen's pretty good. You know, he's been driving tractors since he was like 20. How old is he? 26 years old.
You said on your pit bike.
A little soft, man.
I told you the lip wasn't packed for shit.
On that. Dimed it! My boy right there, first try. They were all talking smack, and no one's gonna be able to make it, dude. He made it. I went faster that time.
Yeah, you did.
That was some air time.
God, Jansen's gonna try and jump this on this clapped out KLX. Watch this.
That's not that bad. That's pretty easy, actually. Everything your bike has in second, you're making it, for sure. Yeah, as long as you just keep it pinned around the corner. You said I wasn't gonna make this jump.
I didn't think you were gonna make it. You did case a little bit the first couple times.
But hey, you know what? I sent it on the 110 though. You said.
That's pretty nice. I owe you $20.
Now we're making a cheater line for the
There
girls.
you go. Good
We'll
job.
step
I
up.
like it.
We're making
I like
everything.
it. Yeah,
We're
my wife
gonna make it nice for her. She's gonna
wants to rip the whole place.
well, she's gonna have a whole nice set. But the only downfall is she's gonna have to exit her corners faster. And then I was trying to cut this as much as we could. Yeah.
Perfect.
So if any of this dirt here that we look at that, dude, it's packed. We did a good job, huh?
Yeah, it's working good.
That shit's packed in.
Yeah, I went ham on that thing.
Yeah, you did a good job, dude.
Good dirt.
It really is. It's got some like good, nice clay mixture in it.
We measure in the fucking big lip, the big jump here.
Let's
Don't
see.
worry, it's not muddy up here.
All right. What do we got up there?
We got 20, 19 and a half. Jansen told me to lie.
It's 19 and a half, but we'll call it 20. All right, sick. 20 footer in the backyard. Oh, he's got to get the pit vipers on, make them look a little fresher. Yeah, I feel ya. Okay. No. Hold on. We got Supercross tonight. What are you doing?
Oh, we're getting drunk. We're getting drunk tonight.
He done forgot that we have Supercross. done in one day.
One day builds.
Day. Actually,
Maybe a half
what time is it?
time
It's still
right
like
here.
what? 3 o'clock? It's half day. We got this done in almost a half day.
Build a big roll in right there.
Yeah,
These
on
ones
the
on
against my
DNI.
house. That's what I was thinking.
Oh,
The gas turns are sick right here. That was sick. Oh! Ah. 100%. Now you got it. Now you know. You got it now. Don't even think. Just do it. You got this. Extra speed.